This is the condo I've been telling you about for a month or two. We've been preparing it. The homeowner has been painting and getting it prepared for staging. One thing that's amazing is this is one of 3 units in the whole metropolitan building that you can have a live, work, loft.
Wow,
you can
that's
have
so cool.
your office and your clients right here.
I'm so excited to see it.
Yeah, come on in. Look at this.
Wow.
This is a blank slate to do whatever you want. We have it set up as a waiting area right here to just give you the idea if you happen to be a psychologist or a photographer, an artist that wants clients to come in. Any type of business person, you can have up to 8 clients per day that come in right here off the street. And then you can have, you could put a divider here and have your office or studio, art studio or gallery would be amazing.
Wow.
Yeah, yeah. The engineer that's the original owner, he had this divided, and this was a home theater. And then his teenagers' beds were right behind.
How cool.
Yes. And so this is considered, it's kind of like a studio apartment or a one giant bedroom and bathroom. Do you want to check out the bathroom real quick? Okay. You have a full bathroom right here. Pretty amazing, huh? Ready to see the bedroom?
Yes.
Oh, great. Follow me.
Oh, wow. I love the tall ceiling.
Yeah, it is spacious in here. It has brand new carpet. Awesome view. It's really quiet in here. Did you notice that?
Yes. That's the first thing I noticed.
Mm-hmm. Would you like to take a look at the bathroom?
Yes.
Okay. Here it is. Sienna, let me show you the rest of the place.
Okay. I love the open floor plan. Wow.
Yeah, isn't this awesome? I can really imagine hosting great parties with my friends here.
Yes.
And everyone can watch us while we're cooking and participate, having fun evenings. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I really picture an entrepreneur buying this place, or a business owner, even an engineer like owned it before. Who do you think might live here, Sienna?
I can really see myself living here. Like, my favorite thing to do on a rainy Portland day is to sit by the fire and sit by a big window and enjoying the rain, but staying cozy inside.
Yeah, that is awesome. I really agree. So it actually appeals to all ages. I'm so excited to see who's going to be the next steward of this amazing loft. Mm-hmm. Sienna, I just wanted to kind of summarize as we're leaving. This place is nearly 1,700 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 parking spaces, 2 levels, 3 entrances, and I'm going to show you all the amenities it includes. Yeah. Are you ready to take a look?
I'm excited. Yay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mom.
Sure. I'm looking forward to showing you one of the main features of the Metropolitan Building.
Wow, I'm looking forward to it too.
Oh, great. I wanted to show you here so you can entertain your friends here with drinks, happy hour, smoothies. Ooh. And right here is an exclusive wine storage. This is uncommon to have your own wine storage. Wow. You can have meetings here at the conference room, the big conference table.
Wow.
And gathering right here. There are a lot of social events in the building, which even include outside.